Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access. On the application of SayHi, you will click on settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about SayHi and you click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.